Hello, I'm back with another amazing video from my Dubai travel stories, and this time I'm going to show you this amazing Pakistani restaurant. And you can find the best Pakistani food and one of the best mutton biryani in all of the Dubai. Like, they are epic. Like, people come from everywhere just for their mutton biryani, so that is something you cannot miss. Now, this restaurant is located in Al Fahidi Street. Like, it's exactly opposite Sharaf DG. You can easily locate it. If you stand on Sharaf DG, you will just see that Park Liari is exactly opposite to it. And another landmark is the Hotel Astoria. So it is opposite to that. So you can easily locate this place. All you need to find is Sharaf DG or Hotel Astoria, the two major landmarks in the area. So let's go. What I really liked about this place is that they have kept a separate seating area for bachelors and for families, so it makes you feel much more safer. So that was something really I appreciate about this place. It gives you the privacy which a family requires and the freedom that a bachelor needs, like they can eat and just go away. That's easy for them. So this is the menu of Park Liari. The restaurant is amazing and very much budget friendly. So what I realized after having food here is that you just need to find the right place. If you know the right place, you can have the best meal in the best price. Like, you don't need to overspend on food. You just need to search for the correct place, and Park Liari is one of the best place to have authentic food. So we tried the mutton chops. It was amazing. This is palak gosht. Again, a very delicate and beautiful flavor to the curry. And this roti or naan, what you can say, is so soft. They serve the mutton chops with raita and this curry, but I find it good as it is. It goes really well with the yogurt thing, but it has its own amazing flavor that is so good. The roti is also really good. It is very soft and goes very well with everything, and it has no butter on it, but genuinely very soft roti. So we also had the seekh kebabs. So you get only kebabs and mutton chops at night, so you will have to come at night. So that is one thing. If you plan to eat kebabs, you will have to come at night here. Anything which is grilled will be prepared only at night, not in the day. The kebab was so soft, like it was so juicy. It was amazing. Like, really, Dubai is the place where you can have the best kebabs, undoubtedly. The seating is really nice, and one thing that you need to be careful is that here salads and all are additional, like you have to pay extra for it. So if they ask you if you want it, remember that it is not free and you have to pay extra for that. The only thing that you have to remember in this place. Rest everything is good. The food and everything is amazing. This was nihari, and it was like by far the best mutton dish I ever had. The mutton was so good. I'll show you how soft and tender it was. And the roti, I am obsessed with this roti that they make. Like, it is not, there is no butter, but it is so soft. Like, in generally, if you want a soft one, you will have to ask for the butter ones. They are soft, but this was so soft without the butter. And the biryani, my husband is a biryani lover, big time biryani lover, and he said that this was one of the best biryani that he has ever tried. So I feel like you don't need to spend a lot of money to get amazing food. You just need to find the right place, and Park Liari is definitely that place. Like, you cannot miss on it. So try this mutton biryani for sure. It is amazing. You just need to transfer it into another plate and mix it all up, and that's it. And it is really affordable. Like, the meal is so filling and yet so in the budget. Like, you will not overspend on it. That is what we really appreciate about this place. Like, when you're traveling, you also need to consider your budget. So this is the place where you can enjoy your food, like have your fill, and yet it is in your budget. The food was so good. Like everything that we tried was amazing. And I would really give this place a 5 star, and you must come here and try the nihari for sure, and kebabs, mutton chops, and go for the biryani. Like biryani, they have the best biryani in Dubai, so you cannot miss it. And if you want more videos, please comment below. I will share more amazing food places that we have explored, and I would love to share it with you all. You can comment down, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to check this video whenever you are planning to visit Dubai. So until next time, I'll see you again.